Welcome friends, I am Mr. Harshal Warade, Assistant Professor from Sanjivani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. Today we will learn the advantages, disadvantages and applications of coordinate measuring machines, that is CMM. Let us see. This is what is a CMM which we have studied in previous lectures. This is generalized diagram of coordinate measuring machine. CMM is generally having a mechanical structure, probe head, work table, and this total system is hardware system is connected with computer system, and it is used for measurement purpose. Let us see the advantages of CMM. First advantage is quicker method of inspection, so less time is required for inspection. Very high accuracy of measurement. CMM gives very accurate results of measurement. Third one is reduce human errors. So human errors are avoided in CMM. Equipped with storage system for measured features. So whatever features which we are going to measure, means length, width, height, dimensions or geometrical forms, all those these measured features can be stored. Their data generated can be stored in the form of different files, records, etc. Automatic data recording facility reduces the operator efforts and fatigue. So some of the CMMs, they are provided with the automatic data recording facility. So this helps the operator to most of the extent. It reduces the efforts of the operator and fatigue of the operator. Improve productivity due to very less non-productive time. So CMM saves more time and it gives more output, so improved productivity of inspection. Simplified part alignment and setup procedures by making use of softwares. So by making use of software, the process of alignment and setups is simplified by making use of CMM, so less time is consumed and it makes more easy for the operator to measure the different parameters. Let us see the disadvantages of coordinate measuring machine. Let us move further. So disadvantages of coordinate measuring machine: very high cost of coordinate measuring machines and the accessories of coordinate measuring machine. So whatever initial investment cost for coordinate measuring machines which are there, those are very high. So this is what is a great disadvantage of coordinate measuring machine. Let us see the different applications of coordinate measuring machines. To check the dimensional accuracy of ANSI produced workpieces in various stages of mass production. So in mass production, number of components are to be checked. So coordinate measuring machine which gives faster inspection and with more dimensional accuracy, we use coordinate measuring machine. To carry out 100% inspection of the components of aircraft and spacecraft from safety and reliability point of view. So most of the components of aircraft and spacecraft, they need 100% inspection. So in such case, CMM is most widely used. To determine the geometrical features of measured parts or manufactured parts, which is not possible with the conventional measuring machines or equipments. Geometrical features which are difficult to be measured by making use of conventional measuring machines or equipments, they can be easily determined by making use of CMM. CMM is a good choice in following situations. It means what are the situations where you are going to use CMM? or it is best suited. First one is a CMM can be easily integrated into an automated inspection system. So wherever you want the inspection system to be automated, CMM can be easily used or integrated. The computer controls easy integration in an automated environment such as FMS, that is flexible manufacturing system, or a CIM, computer integrated manufacturing system. The major economic benefit is the reduction in downtime for machining while waiting for inspection to be completed. So here time is greatly reduced and time is saved for inspection. Second such situation is a CMM may be interfaced with a CNC machine so that machining is corrected as the workpiece is inspected. So whenever workpiece is to be inspected, if it is getting machined, so while machining also you can make use of CMM for inspection. A further extension of this principle may include computer assisted design and drafting also, that is CAD. Another major use, sometimes it may be abuse of CMMs, is in reverse engineering. So some of the companies which manufacture the dies, molds and components, they can use CMMs for reverse engineering process. So already some of the companies, they are designing such components, and other companies which want to manufacture these components, they can make use of CMMs and they can have the data related to the geometry and dimensions of components by making use of CMM, and they create a gray market for such items in industry. So this is a disadvantage basically. So these are the different disadvantages, as well as this is one application of CMM also. So in this lecture we have learnt about the advantages, disadvantages and applications of CMM. These are the few references which you can refer for your further reading. Thank you.